So good morning and welcome to another day, another vlog, another video. So good morning guys, how are we doing on this delightful morning? Today's Sunday, which only means one thing, it's the car show time. I am absolutely fucking knackered. And yeah, after yesterday's video, I think we were out like fucking 3 hours, 4 hours or something. We was out a while anyway. We was out a really long while yesterday, went fucking everywhere and anywhere. So basically, yeah, I'm off to the Havant Plaza car show, which is where I'm off to now. I'm gonna go and get some photographs and stuff, because as I've got to be there basically. I'm a little bit early, as I always am, so let's see who turns up. Today's weather is going to be a little bit of hit and miss, so I don't know how that's going to translate to the whole proceedings of today, but we will get there. As I said, I'm here now. And here we are. Let's park it in here. She always gets parked in here. Oops. I forgot there's a fucking barrier there, isn't there? So, yep, Havant's classic car run is a go. Catch you guys in a bit. So, yeah, basically, all of this area here will be filled up with cars, hopefully. And all of this area here will be filled up with bikes. So basically, let's see who turns up. Weather today's a bit overcast. It's supposed to be a bit wet later on today, but we will see here. Right, let's go and say hi, clock in as such, and let's see what happens. Let's see what photographs I get. As I said, I've got a bit of a headache, so let's see, shall we? Alright, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.
Ready? Okay.
See you in a bit. So, hello, we are back. That's part one of the Havant Classic Car Run done. I'm now off to go and pick up my mate. It's, he was meant to be there this morning, and he's just got up. Oops. So, yeah, good turnout. Woke up this morning with a friggin' bad migraine. I was going to filter, but yeah, fuck it. Yeah, straight across. Yeah, go towards college, carry straight up. It's going towards Portsdown Hill, and there's a road right on the right. It's like a windy, very thin road. So yes, we're going to do part 2 of the Classic Car Run. Just literally put the weight up behind. Just going to go do that now. So yeah, we're here. It's a bit muddy.
Beautiful place, guys, down the end.
No worries.
Yeah.
You alright? Hang on. Fucking hell, there's loads up here already. Well, not loads, but a few. Right, okay. See you next year. Take care. See you later. So that was another day done. Another event covered. So yeah, next year we will be back for the 2019 and 19th version of the Havant Classic Car Run in association with the Mayor and Havant Council and everybody involved. Thank you very much for turning up. Thank you for organising. So yeah, as I said, thank you very much to all of the organisers of the Havant Classic Car Run. I've got a fucking mighty headache. Yeah, basically, thank you to all the organisers, the guys that turned up, all the cars, all of the classic cars. You guys would not make the event if you didn't turn up. I thought we were going to go down by the college.
Hey?
I thought we were going to go down by the college.
Yeah, I got lost. I just can't do it if I want to do it.
Okay. So yeah, as I said, it wouldn't be if it wasn't for you guys turning up. Then yeah, it wouldn't be the event that it is. Thank you also to Peter and to Patrick as always. So I'm like, all right, okay. So yeah, we just had to go to Asda, and now we are heading home. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye people. Bye.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard.